Right, typically using access points, these are 2.4 gigahertz access points. Typically we'd have to space these 100 meters apart to get the signal distribution using, as you can see in this case, vertical polarization. Now, with our circular polarization, we can achieve electromagnetic coverage through the tunnel 400 meters apart. So if you look at a scenario like this, apart from the capital costs that you save by not having these 3 units, obviously you save on installation costs, and even more importantly, the reliability of just having 2 units versus having 3 units in between here. We've actually had a situation in a mine where through underground activity, one of these units got knocked off the wall. Now, the moment that that happens, underground production immediately stops because no communication, especially today in the world of autonomous vehicles, the moment that that happens, the underground production has to stop. So, to summarize, the radio coverage that we have with this unit is, apart from the fact that we have very good coverage, you are saving on the cost of 3 more installations, you're saving on the reliability of only having to deal with 2 units and still achieve proper communication throughout our tunnel.